for banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. I'm banana, peel and play. C is for cherry, C-A-G-R-R-Y. I'm cherry, red and shy. D is for date, D-A-D-E. I'm date, sweet and from a tree. E is for elderberry, E-L-D-E-R-B-E-R-Y. I'm elderberry, say he hi. F is for fig, F-I-G. I'm a fig growing on a figgy tree. G is for grape, G-R-A-P-E-S. We're the grapes in purple dress. H is for honeydew, H-O-N-E-Y-D-E-W. I'm honeydew, fresh for you. I is for ice apple, I-C-E-A-P-P-L-E. I'm ice apple, cool and free. J is for jackfruit, J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T. I'm jackfruit, big and sweet. K is for kiwi, K-I-W-I. I'm kiwi, fuzzy and spry. L is for lemon, L-E-M-O-N. I'm lemon, sour but fun. M is for mango, M-A-N-G-O. I'm mango, golden glow. N is for nectarine, N-E-C-T-A-R-I-N-E. I'm nectarine, juicy and clean. O is for orange, O-R-A-N-D-E-E. I'm orange, full of vitamin C. P is for pineapple, P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. I'm pineapple, spiky and free. Q is for quince, Q-U-I-N-C-E. I'm quince, come and see. R is for raspberry, R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. I'm raspberry, soft and merry. S is for strawberry, S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. I'm strawberry, red and berry. T is for tangerine, T-A-N-G-E-R-I-N-E. I'm tangerine, bright and lean. U is for ugly fruit, U-T-L-I-F-R-U-I-T. I'm ugly fruit, tasty treat. V is for velvet apple, V-E-L-V-E-T-A-P-P. I'm velvet apple, smooth and neat. W is for watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. I'm watermelon, cool and fun. X is for Zigua, X-I-D-U-A. I'm Zigua, that's watermelon in China. Y is for yellow passion fruit, Y-E-L-L-O-W-P-A-S-S-I-O-N-F-R-U-I-T. I'm yellow and full of zing. Z is for Sisyphus, C-I-Z-I-P-H-U-S. I'm Sisyphus, try me, trust us. Now you know your A to Z. Fruits are fun for you and me.